Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested love message reading. How is your person feeling? What's going on? What's their message for you? Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, what they want to say to you. I also have the love messages here. We will see in detail what's happening with your person. How are they feeling? This could be anybody you have in mind, your ex lover, twin flame, lover, soulmate, crush. This can be anybody, friends. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot if you want to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us. Make sure to subscribe, because if you subscribe you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. Yeah, and also make sure to visit our website for more informations and details, and also to watch longer videos there. Yeah, so let's see. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, think of your person and choose one card. Let's see. Let's take a deep breath and choose option number one, this beautiful Ace of Wands. Option number two, this beautiful Two of Cups. Option number three, the beautiful Ace of Pentacles. So relax, take a deep breath, friends, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly go there and choose your option. Also, friends, you can also choose more than one option. For different people, you can choose different options. Also, you can watch the entire reading also, friends. Yes, that's also relevant if you watch the entire reading. Let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful Ace of Wands. Let's see, what's happening with your person. How are they feeling? What's their message? Ace of Wands. Ooh, lots of passion. I feel this is a passionate connection for some of you. A lot of passion. These are your oracle messages. Let's see, this is your advice also for this connection. We're gonna look at it shortly. I feel this is a very passionate connection. Something new is happening in this connection. Some transformations in your person are happening. I see like this dawn of light, this dawn happening for your person. Let's see. Wow, I do feel currently your person is not going through some good times. They are going through some tower movements. I do feel your person is going through some issues. You may have had a breakup with this person, a very terrible breakup. I feel the ending was very bad between you and this person. Also, even this person is going through some realization, some anger issues, some problems in their life. Yeah, a lot of problems. I feel like whatever they were holding on to, stability, or whatever, ego, money, religion, I don't know, whatever they were holding on to, it's kind of crackling. It's like they are on quicksand right now. They are falling and they are like, wow, ooh, catch me. I think they were, I think they, I don't know what this person did or whatever they were choosing, like if they choose, whatever, if they choose career, they are not happy there. They feel like it's quicksand. They are sinking. If they choose, money, they are not happy. They are losing money. So they are like, whoa, this, that, what we have done. I think they are feeling a lot of anger, the resentment, lot of anger. I feel this person is going through tough times, through quicksands. Whatever they choose now, they feel that thing is also leaving them. So they are like, what is happening? I will take a clarifier on that. So let's clarify what's happening with them. Let's see what's this tower about. What's happening in their person's life right now. I feel they are also going through a lot of anger, a lot of frustrations. Whatever they were clinging on to, that has disintegrated, like money, career, maybe another relationship. They're not happy there. Okay. The creator, yeah, this person is becoming connecting to their power. They are becoming aware of something, and this is the King of Wands. So this could be a twin flame connection for some of you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, sorrow, Nine of Swords. Yeah, I do feel like this person could be going through health issues, also anxiety, frustrations. I feel they are going through a dark night of the soul. You know, they are connecting towards light, but it is a slow change for them. It is like a spiritual awakening, a dark night of the soul they are going through, but they are connecting. They are becoming this man, this divine masculine, divine feminine for you, the creator. Yes, they are connecting with it, but also at the same time, this is a slow process. They are frustrated also, they are upset also, they are angry. Something is causing them worry, tensions, and something is collapsing in their life, crumbling in their life. The Empress, yeah, they do see you as this Empress. I do feel like this person is trying to work on themselves to become a better person for you, or the right person for you. I also feel that they see you now as this Empress, a perfect match for them. I think how they view you currently is changing, or how they feel about you from the past till now. It's changing. Now they have a huge respect for you. Now they have a different understanding and perception of you than in the past. So this person is like, earlier they were like, they just thought like this is a random thing, this is a romance like everybody else is, but now they are like, no, this is not an everyday romance. This is a twin flame connection. This is like a soulmate connection. This is like a deep intense connection. So they were not aware of it earlier, but now they are. And look at that, the Emperor and the Empress. Oh my god, match made in heaven. Look at that. This is beautiful. So, this is amazing. They see now that you both are perfect for each other, and you guys are the perfect match, and they are becoming and turning into this Emperor. I feel like this person in the past was pretty arrogant, pretty selfish, pretty immature. But they are trying. They were also they were all also a bit selfish, focused on themselves, but now they are trying to, you know they are trying to open their heart, they are trying to change themselves, and they now see, they are trying to become equal to you. The Emperor and the Empress, perfect match, perfect. They want to be this perfect person for you. Let's see, I feel like this person had their heart closed in the past. They were not opening their heart, they were very fixed, they were also very masculine. Even if she was a woman, she was very masculine, very fixed, so now she's turning into a softer version of herself, softer, more feminine, more beautiful. So yeah, good things are happening. The Lovers, yeah, I do feel like this person is feeling a lot of attraction for you. They feel very attracted towards you, towards your body, towards your looks, towards your eyes. This person is burning, for you. They feel a lot of attraction for you. You also feel a lot of attraction with this person. And Lovers is like, deep spiritual romance, deep spiritual love. They are now understanding this is beyond life and death. This is beyond dimensions, this love. So I think earlier this person just didn't understood this connection at all. So now they are coming to terms with it. Like now it hit them like, oh, this is something else. Also, this person may have chosen something else or somebody else. Maybe it was a third party. Maybe they chose some other person, some other lover, family, work, career. They regret it now. They definitely regret it. The Sun, yeah, this person is awakening. This person is shifting. Their views are shifting. Also, this person was pretty negative. Even right now, I feel they are in mood swings. They are sometimes happy, sometimes sad. Their moods swing. They are going through a lot of changes at all together. Emotions, anger, big changes, huge changes, but at the same time they are awakening to a higher love for you, awakening to a higher understanding, higher purpose for this connection for you. The Sun, they definitely feel you are the sunshine of their life. They feel a lot of love and happiness for you. Page of Cups, look at that. They definitely want to talk with you, message you, offer love to you. They are also a bit, they feel like, they are a bit silly, a bit immature at times, and they want you to forgive them. I know this is a silly expectation, but they want you to understand that at times they are a little foolish, they are a little silly, they may not understand, they may behave like a little kid. but they expect you to forget and forgive because they feel a lot of love for you. They are awakening, they are changing, they are becoming this emperor, and they look at you with like lusty eyes, with. Um, they are looking at you with hope, with they are also looking at you for like you will forgive them, maybe, because I do feel you had a tower moment with them. The Knight of Cups, yeah, this person is growing from the page to the Knight. This person is growing, maturing. Also, they were very defensive about themselves. They were always about themselves. Some a bit selfish, a bit arrogant. They are changing. They are changing. I also feel they might have. If you both might, you might be in different cities or countries, and family was a big issue in this connection. Family, religion, culture. Someone's mother or family father issues, mother issues became too important in this connection. As a block they became, but your person is learning now. They are growing up slowly but steadily. This person is growing up, maturing, and they do look at times spent with you like, as the most beautiful time. They also feel a lot of attraction for you, physical attraction, sexually. They feel very attracted towards you. Three of Cups, yeah. I do feel they may have put you in third party or something. They regret it. I think that person is also causing them a lot of tensions and worry. Maybe the other relationship is disintegrating, so they are like, what happened? We chose somebody else, and now that somebody else is leaving us. This person is going through a lot, friends. Anxiety, depression, a lot of things, a lot of challenges. Dark night of the soul. I do feel they want to message you, they want to celebrate with you in the future, they want to be friends with you, they want to get things going. I also feel they keep tabs on you through common friends, common family, or through social media, fake accounts. They keep an eye on you. I do feel that. What's happening with this person? I want to see. Something else is also happening with this person. What is happening? I think this person was also a bit casual, like, let's party. I will have as many friends as I want. Why do you care? But now they are like, none of the people they thought were important. Now they are gone, all vanished. And they are like, what? So you are still here for them. You love them, right? What's happening with this person? Projections, yeah. I do feel this person has a lot of fear, a lot of insecurities, and now they are coming face to face with it. I think you may have told this person, see, you are a bit insecure or you are a bit possessive, jealous, but now they are coming face to face because other people are not playing part to their ego. They are not listening to their buttering their ego, while you were okay with it. You were kind of like sweet to them, but other people are like, nope, we won't take this selfish behavior. So now they are getting their own medicine. They don't like it. They really don't like it. Silence, yeah. I do feel this person is haunted by you. They keep hearing you, they keep listening to you, your talks, messages. This person is like, they want to connect with you through dreams, through messages, and they want silence. They want peace in this connection, like they want to bring peace in this connection. And schizophrenia, yeah. I do feel this person could be battling some health issues. I do see them a lot of frustrations, lot of issues going on, not just health, financial issues, mother issues, expectations from family, some relationships crumbling, some friendships crumbling. People just this person wants to control. The control is going, this is crumbling, and they are like, what. I think this person is going through also health issues like anxiety, depression, or just some sort of like, I don't know what to do. I think this person is going through a spiritual awakening towards this connection and in their life, and they are kind of like doing their best to resist it. Alone, yeah, they are feeling alone. They are missing you also. They are really missing you. Yeah, Ten of Wands, oppression. Yeah, this person is going through a lot of challenges. This is a lot of challenges, friends. I think they are going through a dark night of the soul. They will come out of it, but their ego is making a good resistance. They are showing a good resistance, but they are now also realizing that you guys are the perfect match. The Emperor and the Empress. So you guys are perfect for each other. nothing to worry about, Judgment, I understand that everyone has their own unique path and challenges. Wow, this is beautiful. So yeah, they understand that, you guys are together, but so they are suffering from something, or they are going through something, and also they understand, their understanding is changing. Also, I do feel like if you have told this person some words, they actually hurt this person. They kind of like, they are true. Like if you told them you are a bit selfish or something, it hurt them. It actually uh, awakened them to something. They were not ready to face the truth. They are a bit harsh on themselves. Someone has been judging them, maybe some other person, family members. Also, if you told them some truths about themselves, now they have connected with it. Like, yes, I am a bit controlling, I am a bit selfish. They understand that. Gratitude, yeah, I do feel this person's third eye is opening. They are spiritually awakening, their heart chakra is awakening. So they do feel gratitude and very thankful towards you, because you are the instrument that is inspiring this change, this freedom in them. I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. Yeah, they are very grateful that they met you, and that you both shared a great connection, and they really feel very connected to you. Emotional withdrawal, 8 of cups, yeah, this person may be in no contact with you, not messaging you, not replying back. They may have suddenly withdrawn because they are going through a lot of issues at the moment. It is like they don't have enough for themselves also, so how can they give to you? So it's nothing personal. They are going through some own challenges in their life, and success, yeah, but they will recover from it, that's for sure. They will recover and they will come back and talk to you, message with you. Triumphant success, Ace of Swords. So a big breakthrough will happen in this connection with divine timing, and clarity will come in this connection. So let's see what else. I also feel that for some of you, you need to also keep some boundaries in this connection, because sometimes it is like too many people are affecting this connection, or your person is a bit controlling. So you have to keep keep the communications open, but also keep boundaries, like how much will you let them affect, or how much will you help this person out. So I think this is a battle that's going. They have to win it on their own. After that, they will come and talk to you and message you once they are healed, once they have resolved the issues in their life. They're gonna message you and like, they yay, we won it. So let's see what else. Pandora's gift, number 45. Yeah, I think this person has been wearing a mask. They are not telling you they miss you. They are not telling you how much they love you, how much attracted they feel, how they are working on themselves towards you. I feel like a big awakening. Pandora's gift is like some Pandora's box is like a magical box. Anything can be there. You can put hand and anything, gems, universes can come out from it. So something is manifesting in this connection. Something big is happening, and I do feel like the bad things will become turn to light in this connection. The judgments will turn to blessings. The mask will turn into beautiful colors, beautiful light. So something is transforming, something is shifting in this connection. Number 45, number 4 and 5 are important. April and May are important. Let's see some advice for you for this connection. Empowerment, you are more powerful than you realize. It is safe for you to be powerful. Yeah, I also feel our viewers are also going through some sort of a shift at the movement, and you may be feeling like whatever this person did, the way they left you, ghosted you, blocked you, you also feel like self-conscious. You feel disempowered, you feel like what has happened. But I feel like this is a time to empower yourself. This is a time to take charge of the situation, and not to feel like whatever is going on in this person's life is your fault. No, you should not take it personally. You should focus on your growth and success at this point of time, because a renewal will happen very soon as per divine timing. And whenever is the right time, things will shift for you, but you need to step into your power also. Just as this person is stepping in their power, you need to be bold and confident, and it is safe for you to be powerful. So what will this person say if they could say something to you? let's see, friends. My soul needs time to heal. Yeah, this person is going through a lot. They are going through a multiple challenges at the same time. So give them some time to heal and fix their life and issues, family and karmic ties. Yeah, this person may be married or they may have chosen someone else, family, work, career, or maybe a old past lover or something. They choose somebody else, and they know that that person is also rejecting them. So they are like, what? Everything crumbling. Expect a phone call or text or a meeting soon. So yeah, they are, I told you, they are going to call you, friends. It's gonna happen once they have finished with all this going on in their life. I'm sorry, but I never cheated on you. Yeah, trust issues, judgments. You may have judged this person like, you are cheating on me, you have too many people. I think this person was a party person, like, hey, I can do whatever I want, why do you care? Or like, it doesn't matter, I love you, but I hang out with everybody. But now it's like, nope, those people just left them, and it's like, bye bye. I am not sure I can meet your expectations. Yeah, this person sees, I think this is a fear they have, because they do see themselves as the emperor and you as the empress. So, emperor and empress, they do see, yeah, you guys are perfect, but this is a fear. They are not right now there where they have to be for you. I get so jealous when others like you or try to win you. Yeah, they are possessive about you. I told you that was one of the issues, right? Possessiveness, blocked heart chakra. See, I told you this person has a blocked heart chakra. In fact, most of their chakras are blocked, but they are working on it, and they also have some anger issues, because I feel so hot right now, like they are angry or something. Time apart has been life changing for me. Look at that. So yeah, definitely no contact situation happening here. So it's changing them. It's changing. You are the inspiration in their life. So friends, that's it for now. If you want your own personal reading, visit our website to book a reading, and please subscribe Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, if you chose this beautiful option number 2, the beautiful 2 of hearts, let us see what is going on here with your person, how they feel. I feel there is a lot of love in this connection. There is a lot of friendship. There is a lot of harmony. It is like you guys are made of the same things, same soul, same fabric. It's like you guys are the same people. You have a strong connection with flowers, music, and food. I feel like you connect on flowers or music, food, the finer things in life. You guys are same in some way, I feel. These are your oracle messages and advice. We're gonna look at them shortly. These are your love messages, so we'll take them at the end. So let's see what is happening with your person and how they feel about you currently. Ooh, okay. The Hanged Man. This situation is stuck right now. This person is stuck actually. They are stuck on. I feel like they may be refusing to make a move towards you, even if this is a new person or somebody from your past. This person is like, I love you, I like you, I want you, I desire you, but I don't know, I can't make a move. They are stuck. They are hanging in between. They are not making a move. This person may be not taking any action in this connection right now, or even in the past, they were like stuck. I don't know what to do. I keep hearing that. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So this person is like, okay, fine. I'm stuck and I'm okay with it. This person is. You may also find like this person is a bit confusing, because sometimes they go very quiet, they are a bit hard to understand, or it is like there is harmony, there is love, but this person is like they are not the usual, they don't communicate or express in the usual way. So you may be feeling like, what's wrong with this person, why are they quiet? It's frustrating for you, I feel, because this person is taking their time. They are like, yeah, they are like a bat which is hanging on a tree, and they are like, yeah, I don't know what to do, I'll think and I'll make a move. So they are taking their time, not making a move right now, because they are stuck, they don't know what to do. Also, their ways of expression are like, you find it difficult to understand. You feel like you don't know what to do. Sometimes they talk, sometimes they are quiet, so you are like, they are also not sure how to fix this thing, how to fix their communications. So they are like, I don't know what to do, so I'm quiet. I don't know what to say, so I'm quiet. Let's see what else. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, this person could be living in some other city and country than yours. Also, even if they live near you, I feel currently they are traveling or very busy with work. That's why you have not seen this person in some time, in a long time. Or also, I feel like this person is struggling with a lot of work issues. I also feel like this person is double mind to make a move towards you or not to make a move towards you. Half part of is them like, yes, yes, I should go and message and meet and call and have a date, and the other part of is them, no, 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 what will happen, what will happen. So this person is like, they think a lot, they think a lot, take action less, and say even lesser. So it's a frustrating situation for our viewers. Even if I feel this is a long distance no contact situation for most of you, but even if this person is living close by, you have not seen this person recently because they are busy at work and they are busy thinking of what to do. Page of Swords. Yeah, this person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do feel this person has confidence issues, or they feel like you, our viewers, are very confident while they are little nervous. They are like, they are a little, cold feet they have. Also, I think the our viewers know what they want, like you want commitment or you want a relationship or you are very loyal, our viewers. So this person needs to be, you have told them something like, up your game, or like, we want commitment, can you offer us commitment? So this person is like, wow, they find you very confident, very bold, and very sassy. They find your confidence very sexy. They like the way you express things, they like the way you are intelligent, your mind is sharp. So they kind of like, they are mesmerized by you and they don't know what to even do. If this is a crush, they keep looking at you and they have even forgotten that they need to say hello to you. So they are mesmerized by your confidence, your beauty, your intelligence, your expressions. They are like, oh my god, we can't talk. This person can. You can. They can't. Oh my god, Two of Wands. Yeah, this person is trying to gather their confidence. Yes, this person is trying to gather their confidence, becoming more bold and more stronger. I feel this person is by default a shy person or someone who is not very confident or very bold or outgoing. Even if they are a little scared of something. I don't know what it is. Maybe family. Maybe you guys are in same sex relationship, so they are a little scared to take it forward or even move it or talk with you. Also, I feel like this person is a little scared of family or different religion culture issues. So they are a little scared and they are playing it cool here. They are trying to become more mature. They are trying to understand what really is the situation. What can they do? Also, you might have asked, you are upset with this person. I don't know why, our viewers. It is like this person pisses you off because they don't communicate well. They disappear into their own world. They zone out. I keep hearing, I'm zoning out, and you are like, not again. Not again. You are not a genie. Why are you disappearing into a bottle, into a world of your own? You're not a genie. So you are like, you are strict and you say the things outright boldly. They are like, okay, we need to match up to this person. So they are trying, they are working on it, they are trying to be mature. And the Hierophant, yes, I do feel family is a big problem in this connection, or some sort of like traditions, or like you want commitment, they don't want commitment, or they are not sure how to offer you commitment. Also, this person could be working with you, so this is like a boss and a colleague relationship. So they are a little scared, they don't want to come close to you because things are like, ooh, what will people say? So they are a little scared. Also, they feel like they are fated with you, they feel a strong connection with you, they feel this ultimate connection. They feel like they are already married to you, or they are already with you in some important way. Like, it is like God has laid a law and they feel like they are meant to be in your life. They believe in destiny, they believe that in soulmates, they believe you were meant to cross their path. So they are definitely waiting for some miracle to happen. I also see this person is praying, so that you guys can come together again, you guys can heal, or become once again the lovers, the sweetness can come back. I see this person is praying, they are finding they are asking God to find solutions for this situation, and get this connection moving again. Oh yeah, Ace of Swords. Yeah, I do feel like this person wants a breakthrough. They want a miracle. They are praying for one because they don't know how to fix this situation right now. So they are praying for a miracle. I also feel like maybe this person is stuck in some old connections, like maybe family, or maybe different religion, culture issues. Also, maybe this person is married or with another person. They are waiting for things to resolve their move. They are trying to move out of that connection so that they can be with you. They are trying, they are really trying, they are waiting for a miracle, a breakthrough to happen. They are also trying to win you, but they don't know how to win you, because they definitely want to win you, our viewers. They want to win you, they want to be the person for you, they want to show off you to the world, like, hey, she's mine, he's mine, but they don't know how to fix this thing. Three of Wands, yes, this person wants expansion. I also feel they feel very passionate, they are very hopeful about the future with you, they see a long term future with you, they think about you a lot, so they are looking forward for this connection with you. In the future they have high hopes for this connection. It's just that family is playing a third party here, or maybe someone else. They are married, you both are married, or it's like something is stopping them and blocking them, but they are praying for a miracle here. Definitely Ace of Cups, look at that. This person feels a lot of love for you, they feel a lot of love, and I think you also love this person a lot, but some, like, this person is like, I not taking action towards you, and it has frustrated you. I feel they want to take action, but they don't know what is the right action they need to take right now. So they are waiting their time, so that once they become clear on what they need to do to fix this or get this connection moving, they're gonna do it. They're gonna message you, write to you, and the cup of love will overflow. What's happening with a person? Ordinariness, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, they are working on themselves. They are also very busy at their work, so that's another reason you have not heard from them, or you have not seen many posts on their social media, or they are not talking to you because they are very busy at their work. Ten of Cups, they see this ultimate happiness. They know you are their ultimate home. Maybe you were married with this person once, maybe you're still married, or maybe you have moved on. I don't know. Marriage is important here. They definitely feel a lot of happiness. Again, see the blue cards. It's beautiful. They love you, friends. They feel a lot of emotional connection, intensity, harmony. You guys are same. You guys are just same, like dolphins. Like dolphins. Possibilities, Two of Wands. Yeah, Two of Wands, it has come twice. I think this person is trying to find ways to come back to you, or try to talk to you, or try to win you. They don't know how to win you, but they want to win you. Okay, and look at that. The Dreamer, Six of Cups. Oh my god, this person knows you are their soulmate. I think they remember you from your past lives. They definitely remember. They have seen visions of you before you met them. They have seen, dreams about you before they even met you. I also feel they have a lot of dreams about your future. So they know you are the one for them. This person is like, yes, she's the one, he's the one. They see you as a soulmate. Let's see what else. Empathy, I am open to seeing both sides of a situation. This person feels like, you are very kind, our viewers are very kind, you are very understanding, and you guys have a telepathic communication, connection, where there is lot of love, there is a lot of care, support, I told you, you guys are like one, you guys are one body, one soul. So that's how it is. So they also feel that they were very, very kind, super kind, and they are also becoming better human being. Friendship, I underrated that. I understand that a friend is in my life for a reason, so I do feel that they want friendship with you, definitely. And you might have started as friends, or you are still friends with this person, or maybe this is a friend zone person. They want more than friendship with you. So yeah. Oops. Power, eight strength. Yeah, this person is like, you are very strong and powerful, our viewers, and they know this connection is extremely powerful. More and more is happening in this connection, and they feel it that in the future this is a very powerful connection. Nothing can replace you or replace or break this connection. They know that Two of Cups, that you are united forever, like this loop of infinite loop. 8 infinite loop. Fertility. Yeah, I do see this person want to marry you. They want to marry you, settle down with you. There is issues about they want to have future with you. Also, they want to create something with you, like babies, family, marriage, business, music, art, something. They want to build a home with you. So they feel strongly about you, and they see you as somebody who is very capable and very strong. Let's see this card also. What is it saying? Inspiration. Yeah, you are inspiration for this person. You inspire them to be a better human being. And look how you are glowing, and this person is looking at you. I also see dragonflies, which are a symbol of change, which are also a symbol of uh, spirituality, mysticism. So this is a very mystical connection, very fairy connection. Like you guys are like connected with dolphins, fairies, friendship, love. They see this as a very sweet connection, trust me. And they like it, and you are inspiring this person to become, better and to take action for the future of this connection. Let's see some advice for our viewers. Waves of prosperity, new abundance, exciting opportunities will wash over you now. So, oh my God, good things are coming your way, friends. And I do see opportunity with this person. Maybe you will start a business with this person, or you will marry, and prosperity will come for you. So, a lot of success is coming for you. Keep focusing on the good things in life. So, that's what you need to do right now. What this person wanna say to our viewers? Okay. Oh my God. I saw a card and you won't believe it. I shuffled in front of you. Your power inspires me to be stronger too. Power, I told you exactly this, what I told you. You are very powerful, and they know that, and they are inspired by your power. Wow. Thank you for confirming. This is beautiful. Time apart has healed my childhood wounds. Yeah, they are working on their childhood wounds, rejection issues or whatever. Maybe they have prosperity issues, lack of abundance or something. They are working on it. Universe is aligning our union. Yes, that's what they feel, that the universe is working to align you both. Inspiration. They are praying for the God. They are praying to God to unite you. I told you they are praying. They are waiting for the right time to make a move. My soul, my higher self is awakening me. Yeah, they have realized this is something sweeter, this is something special. This is like the honey kind of a relationship. It's beautiful, it's pure, it's made from the flowers, it's high vibrational. I have cried for you and missed you so much. Yes, this person is so sweet, guys. Empathy is also there. This person loves you. They are a very sweet and kind hearted person, and they have cried. Even if they don't tell you, they have cried for you. And I remember everything, every detail, every date. So they remember everything, friends. They do miss you, friends. They miss you a lot. I did not mean to hurt you. So, yeah, if they intend, I think by remaining quiet and not taking action, this person kind of hurted you and made you frustrated. Even though this relationship is perfect, they kind of made you feel frustrated. So, they are sorry. They didn't want it to hurt you. It's just that they are like that. They don't take action. They don't express much. They like to stay quiet. I keep dreaming about you. Yeah, I told you they have a lot of dreams about your future. Even before meeting you, this person had a dream about you. They know they were together with you, so they do dream a lot about you. Good news regarding your love will come to you soon. So, yes, good things will be happening very soon in this connection. And I totally loved this reading and this connection of yours. And subscribe Magic Wens Tarot and join us on our website www.magicwenstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number three, let us see what is gonna happen for you. What is the message from your person? What's gonna happen in this relationship? Love messages from them. How are they feeling currently? Ace of Pentacles. I feel this is a very strong connection, a very grounded connection, a very stable connection, and some sort of a new start or a change is coming in this connection. Let's see, we're gonna look into detail. We're gonna take the love messages also. These are your extra oracle messages, advice also. Let's see how your person is feeling. I see there is a breakthrough coming for you. I do see that. All right. Wow, Four of Cups. I feel like this person is missing you a lot. They are, they are missing you a lot. They think about you a lot. I feel like this person may have read your messages. You have recently messaged this person, but they have not replied you back. They are like a little bored of their life. They feel like discontent. They don't know what to do with their life right now. They feel a lack of passion, a lack of direction or purpose in their life. They are also confused about their own feelings. I feel this person is a mess. I keep getting that song Cold Mess by I don't know, by that singer, that new singer, that Cold Mess song. So, Cold Mess. Yeah, this person is like, I don't know what to do. You message them, you offered them love, but they kind of reject it because they are confused, they are not sure, they feel bored with life, they feel confused about everything, they feel confused about their own emotions. Two of Swords, yes. This person is like, I don't know what to do, I'm stuck. I feel this person has a problem in. I don't know what's happening. I'll take a clarifier. What is this Two of Swords about? I think they have made a wrong decision, but they are even not realizing it. Like they are stuck. Yeah, conditioning. I feel like this person is refusing to see that they can make a change or they can even change their ways. Conditioning, they are stuck. They may not be even realize that they are doing anything wrong right now, or with you also, or in this connection. I feel like this person is feeling indecisive, very confused, very lost, very unhappy. Rather than unhappy, they are like, they don't know what to do. They don't have a direction at the present. They don't have any purpose right now, or they are very confused about their feelings or what to do in life or this relationship. I feel it is about themselves. They don't know what to do with themselves or what to do with their feelings. They are stuck. Conditioning. I feel this person was not, they don't have good decision making skills because some sort of a fear is stopping this person. Something is confusing them right now. And I think this person is refusing to change themselves or see things clearly, also. Five of Swords. Yeah, this person is like, they may have caused you trust issues, they may have ghosted you, blocked you, and I think they are even not willing to understand that they are wrong in something they did to you. This person is like, I think I was right. It might be you that was wrong. Not, it's not me, it's you. That's what they feel like. I also feel like they might even be telling you they don't love you or they don't like anything in general. But I think they are spying on your social media, they are keeping an eye on you, and they are not letting you know. I also feel like this person has a lot of rejection issues. They have been rejected a lot and they are feeling like lost. They feel they don't trust people easily. They feel like everyone is against them, or they feel like, even if there is love, they feel like, this person is like, nah, I don't know if I can trust you, I don't know if this will make me happy, nah, I don't know what to do. This person is perpetually lost. I don't know what's going on. They need to face something which they are not ready to face. They have a fear, they have a confusion. They can fix it, but they want to blame others for it. Oh god. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel this person is wants to give you time. They want to do things right to you. They want to give you time, attention. They also might be crazy about money. So they are like, money is more important than love. Fame is more important than love or relationships. So they are like, everything is a bargain for them. Everything is a, a deal for them, but they want to fix this with you. They want to give to you. In the past they were not giving to you, they want to give to you, they want to fix things, they want to be there for you, they want to start things over. But they are like, they don't know, they are stuck, they are lost, they don't even know how to fix it. I also feel this person might be in another relationship, or there are other people also asking for their time, their attention. So they might have married somebody else, or they might be in another relationship, or family is the third party. I don't know. I even see their money, they are crazy about money, so work could be a third party here. They are not happy with whatever they have chosen, whether it is work, money, or whatever, family, other relationship, but they want you. But it's like they are stuck, they are not happy there, they are not happy in taking any actions. God knows what's happening here. Justice, yeah, this person is like, they might be married, friends, they might be married, or you both are, you were once married to this person. I feel they want to do things right for you, they want to give justice to the situation. I also feel they are a little scared of you, because you might you might ask them some tough questions, why you ghosted them, why you left them, why you cheated on us. So they are a little scared of you. I also feel like this is someone who was once married to you, or who is right now married to somebody else. They are not happy there, they want to move out of that thing, but they don't know how to do that. Or they are still married, but or with somebody else, but they still want you also. So they are like, I don't, they are confused, they are like, which one should I choose? Six of Wands, yeah, they want to progress towards you, they want to talk with you, they want things to move forward and quickly develop between you and them. They want to take action towards you, they want to fix things also, they want to give you time, attention, love, reply to your messages. But somewhere they are not really free to talk with you because of family issues, culture issues, religion issues, or maybe they are married, so they don't know how to talk freely with you, or how to be freely with you. The world, yeah, this person could be in some another country or city also. I also feel they are stuck in a comfort zone, they are just refusing to move out of it, they are just refusing to take action. They can take a action in whatever is happening in their life or in this connection, but they are just are like, I don't know what to do, they are just not taking action. Queen of Wands, they see you as somebody very beautiful. They find you very attractive, our viewers. They feel very passionate towards you. And not just that, they see you as somebody who's achieving a lot of goals, a lot of victories, a lot of success. So they are like, they also want to be successful, but they are not having any success in their life while you are minting money. At least that's what they feel, that you are very successful, you are looking good, you are doing good. So they are like, why are we not doing good? Why? I feel they're trying to compare themselves or their life, and there might be a bit of jealousy also here. Queen of Cups, yeah, there are also third parties affecting this connection. They are confused between two people. Should they choose you or the other person? Perhaps they want to keep you both, which is kind of strange because. Shared coke is good, but shared lover, I don't know. I don't know. This person is caught between their head and mind. They don't know which one to listen. I also feel that it could be an issue with their mother also, or like family members, or family and you. Something, they had to choose you or someone else, so they can't choose. They are like, I don't know what to do, so I just don't know what will I do. Nine of Cups, yeah. This person definitely feels a lot of happiness when they think about you. They want to come back with you, spend some happy days, spend some happy friendships, what do you say, weekends, romantic getaways with you. They want to be with you actually. Ace of Pentacles, oh my god. Two aces. Wow. Friends, they definitely want a solid start with you. They want to offer you something, but I think they want to be sure like they are free from the past connections, or they want to offer you marriage or commitment once their family agrees. They want to take action towards you. I also feel this person is right now focusing on their work because they feel they are less successful than you. So they are trying to achieve success in their life. What's happening in this person's life? The mind, Knight of Swords. Yeah, this person is like thinking too much, not taking action a lot. They are just in their mind, thinking, caught up. Fears, all sort of fears. What will happen? What will go wrong if I do this? This will happen. Transformation. Yeah, they know they need to make a decision, and that will change things. But they are avoiding it just because they don't wanna set up the because they don't want to. I think this person is a people pleaser. They don't want to upset people around them, so they know a transformation is coming. They know they need to change something in this their way of doing things, in this connection in their life, but they are just postponing it for right now. They are like, I'll take action tomorrow, I don't know what to do. The miser, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is like, they are like, they want to be with you, but they are running away also. This is like the ultimate runner and chaser thing. You want them, but they are running away. When you are running, when they chase you, you run away. So they are like, see, they feel always the grass is greener on the other side. Now if they have chosen somebody else with in if they have not chosen you but chosen somebody else, they feel like you are the right one. When they choose you, they feel money is the right thing to go after. So this person is like, they don't know. They are also not telling you how confused they are, going with the flow. Yeah, this person is like, I can't do much. I'm just, I don't know which decision to choose, what is the right thing to do. I can't even talk. So they have talking issues also. This person is behaving like, see, I am a kid, I don't have any power. So innocence. Yeah, they do feel an innocent love for you, but I think they are misguiding themselves in believing that they don't have a decision or a choice here. They can't do anything to change the situation. I think this is a lie, because they can change this situation. Breakthrough. See, they can. They can change everything. They can go for a new start. I think with time, will they go for a new start? Will this person make up their mind? This is a very confused person, I tell you. Letting go. Yeah, they will have to let go or end something, and they will then have to meditate to find the right solutions, and that will open their consciousness. It could be a twin flame, it could be a husband wife you were with, which is not open to your love right now. This person is confused about you and something else, but this person will have to let go. They will have to meditate, gain consciousness, awareness, and things will then move positively in this connection. So a big breakthrough. Surrender. This person has talking issues also. I can release my need to control. Yeah, this person has let you down. They are surrendering the situation. They are like, I don't know how to fix it, so I surrender, I let it go, I see what will happen on its own. That's how they feel. Yeah, they want you to keep your patience. I accept that everything happens in divine order. So yeah, they want you to be patient with them as they make up their mind. Memories of love. Six of Cups. So yeah, they feel a lot of love for you. They feel like you are the perfect one for them. They really do love you and feel a lot of emotions. They have cried for you. I see teardrops. Victory and success. Six of Swords. Yeah, they will be moving towards you. I see, if this is a long distance connection, they will try to bridge the distance and come towards you, talk with you, meet you. I think they will slowly recover and take action, but it will take them some time, because right now they are confused and they are behaving like a, I don't know what's the how do I say this, they are behaving like a coward, probably. I don't know what is the right word. Like, they are like, I don't know what to do, so I'll go with the flow. So they are like, nah, I'll not take any action, so because I'm stuck, I don't know. So they are avoiding taking actions right now. Let's see this card. Softly, softly, the tender touch. Wow. I think this person is really missing your touch. They are missing your embrace. They are still this person is crying too. I do feel like they know that, they are yearning for you, they are longing for you, but they don't have enough courage right now to take action. So they are telling you to be patient, because they will take action in the coming days. They will become more stronger. And I also see this person will be some sort of a breakthrough will happen in their in this confusions will be ending. Some sort of a intuition will happen in this person. They will find the right solution and come towards you. Advice for our viewers. worthiness. Know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. So yeah, I do feel for some of you, if you are looking for a new person, yeah, I do feel this is the perfect time. If you don't want to wait for this connection, it is perfect. You are worthy of a love. You are worthy and deserving of the most amazing love, so go for it. For some of you, if this is a marriage, it is a marriage or some, like, this person very well. I think, remember that you're worthy, and you're gonna get your time, you're gonna get your victory. With patience, things will resolve. So yeah, know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. Let's see what is the message from this person for you. I'm ignoring you. Yeah, I told you, you have messaged them, but they are like, see, I don't know if you messaged me. They are like, I'm ignoring you. I told you here only that this person is ignoring you. Purposefully, they are ignoring you. They see the messages and then they don't reply you back. My soul, my higher self is awakening me. Yeah, I do see a breakthrough will happen when they are shifting, or some changes will happen. Good news regarding your love will come to you soon. Yes, mirror work, you mirror me back and it scared me. Yeah, this person is like scared, a little scared. I do feel it has got nothing to do with you. It is just that they are a little confused in their own self. They don't have decision making skills. Time apart has healed my childhood wounds. So yeah, they do have issues from their childhood. We will meet soon. Stay ready, my love. So yeah, this is a confirmation, a breakthrough is coming. I'm tired of fighting. Yeah, they are tired of fighting and, not able to achieve anything. I still stalk your social media. I told you they are hiding their feelings. They are stalking your social media. I told you with the Five of Swords, right? You can check it again. Through art, music, meditation, dream, we can talk. Can you hear? Yeah, this person is talking to you. They are crying for you. They talk through art, through media, music, dreams, meditation. I hope you listen to them. I read all your text and messages, but I don't reply. See, again, they are like, I am ignoring you. I read everything, but I won't reply because I can't. I'm focusing on my career and self-worth issues. Yeah, also this advice could be for them also, like, be patient. They are working on their self-worth. They don't know how to do it right now, but in the future this person will make a strong move towards you. And that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Wen's Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.